So here comes out the back seat of my car. Like this, if you want to take your back seat out, then keep watching this video, because in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that. So come on, let's start the video. This is the Ford Figo Aspire car. This is the 2015 model. I will take the back seat of this car out now. Now to take the bottom part out, it is very simple. You just have to lift this seat like this, and once you lift the seat, it will come out from the socket. Now this lock is on both the sides of the seat, but whoever had fitted this seat did not put it inside properly on the other side. That's why the entire seat came out easily like this. So these are the two clip locks, and this is the metal rod loop which is on top here. This is there on both the sides. Here I will give you a closer look. As you guys can see, these are metal rod loops which are there on both the sides, and down here both of these are plastic clips, as you guys can see. Now where exactly this goes, that I will show you now. Now as you guys can see, this is the metal extension. Inside of this, that metal rod goes. This is there on both the sides. The plastic clips go in this hole. This type of holes are there on both the sides, as you guys can see. You just have to press them, guys. The metal loop should go in that slot. So to remove the bottom part, it was that easy. Now we will take out the top part. Now the top part has two bolts down here, as you guys can see. You will have to take these bolts out from both the sides. So here comes out my one bolt. Now I will go on the other side and I will take out the bolt which is there on the other side. Once you are done taking out both these bolts, you will have to lift the seat little bit like this on one side first. Now this part also is inside a socket, guys. You will have to take the seat out from the socket first to take it out completely. Here I have come on the other side, and now I will take it out from the socket from this side. So here my top part of the seat is now disconnected from the car, and now I can take it out completely. Here I will show you guys what is there on the back side. As you guys can see, here also there are metal loops. So here comes out my back seat. So with this, my entire back seat is out from the car now. Hoping that this video was useful to you. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now.